Hey guys, so this is Rohan this side, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show how you can use the AI draft email feature on Persona. So let's get started with this, and let me show how you can do this in just a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes at most. Let's get started. So first, once you are on the table that you want to create the AI email draft message for, all you have to do is click on the actions button and then AI draft feature. Now, before we even go into all of this, right, we have these different ways to personalize your emails. For example, you can generate email based on prospects LinkedIn. You can personalize based on the company description. You can generate an email based on their LinkedIn information and custom email templates and all. So even before we get started with anything, all you have to do is select the personalization that you want, right? And after that, uh, let's say for example, I want to generate an email based on prospects LinkedIn enrichment, right? Now here you will see an instruction saying that use the person profile enrichment to get the summary details. That means all you have to do is click here and it will actually go and it will basically you have to enrich the person's profile first before you go to the next step. So that's why you might want to run this first, okay, and then go to the next step. Now since I already have this here, that's why I'm going directly to the next step. So yeah, that's what I wanted to let you know. Feel free to first get the data points and then carry out the personalization. Yeah, back to it. Actions, AI draft message. Let's say I select this one. I go to next. In this menu, you have to insert your details about you and your company, right? Now, generally, this will be auto-filled since you already did the onboarding. Now it will auto paste it here. So your name, company name, what's your company description, and then what's the call to action. Now we will use this in the next step when the personalization comes. So uh, down to the next step. Yeah. So in this case, now we want to finalize the personalization that we are going to use. Now we already have a short template, uh, which we are going to give to our AI agent. And based on that, it will show us a preview. So for example, in this one, write a professional compliment to send to this person's based on their LinkedIn description, right? And then all of these things. Obviously, you can still edit this as well. You can also change the template from here. So you can go and you can create a prompt for personalization, company size, recent news, etc. So all you have to do is select this one or anything. You can go back and you have to make sure that this column is filled. So for example, if we are using the summary, this will be auto-filled for the most part, but if you are not still confused, what you can do is go here, click forward slash, and then select the column that contains the summary of the person, which means this one, right? And all you have to do is click on generate preview. Yeah, and now this is a simple preview that it will show. Let's say if you are not satisfied with this quality, you can go back, edit this prompt, and so on, right? Now let's go to the next step. And here, what you want to do is write the subject line. Now, if you already have a static subject line, you can insert it here. For example, hey, first name, hey, and then insert the full name column. Okay, and now this is a sample email template that we already have. You can see it contains hey first name, then AI personalization, and then a normal static template based on your value proposition offer. You can edit it here, and then click on generate preview, and it will create a preview based on your thing. So hey first name. Um, yeah, you can just go ahead here and then select this one. Let's try it again. Yeah, hey, hey, first name, your dedication. This is the AI personalization. This is your static messaging, call to action, and then at the end. And now what you can do is regenerate preview, or you can just edit this prompt, whatever you like. Let's say I click save and run. And you'll see that it creates three different columns: email body, subject line, and AI personalization. So if you click on this one, you'll be able to see everything. And if you want to send it to smart lead instantly, you can easily send it as different columns or fields, so it is easier in smart lead to create these emails. Now if you're not satisfied with this email, you can also click here, edit enrichment, and go back and do all of this again. Now since we have a lot of templates here, I would really tell you to explore this thing more. You can scroll all the way down as well. There are so many different ways to do it. So you might want to experiment with your offer, value proposition, and etc. But this is a way to get started. And please let us know if you have any questions. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.